Middleweight sport bikes are the gateway into the addictive world of high-performance motorcycling. This supersport class makes use of compact yet extremely powerful high-revving engines, light, sharp steering chassis and more reasonable price tags, at least compared to liter bikes, making this genre of motorcycle more accessible to riders that want to get up to speed on the street, racetrack, or both. In the 2011 Supersport Shootout IX Street comparison, we analyzed how these motorcycles performed on the road, and now we explore their track pedigree in the 2011 Supersport Shootout IX Track. Returning to the 9th edition of our industry-leading middleweight test is the Japanese contingent consisting of the Honda CBR 600RR, Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R, Suzuki GSX-R 600 and Yamaha YZF-R6. These four brands represent the classic definition of supersport courtesy of their liquid-cooled and traverse-mounted 599cc inline-4 engines hung within aluminum chassis, with adjustable suspension and racing-style brakes. However, as the segment evolves, the conventional inline-4 format is challenged by a fresh breed of European motorcycles, Ducati 848 Evo, MV Agusta F3 and Triumph Daytona 675R, not bound to the same archaic competition-based engine displacement rules.